I want all these M&Ms. Huh? I want all these M&Ms. How much is the total?
324.
324. All I got is a penny.
You motherfucker, you made me scan everything and you have only 1 penny?
How you doing? This is my first day at work.
Why, to stay here? Okay.
My name is Alfredo.
I know, but come here. What? Right now, call me. Want meet my boss, call.
Huh?
Tú, chupas. Tú.
Oh, hell nah. Nah.
Bro, even boys aren't safe.
How are you?
I'm looking for
Bro is thinking with him.